going to talk about 3 of my preferred serums from the Hyphen brand. The first one is a Milky toner. The purpose of this toner is to help strengthen our skin's barrier function. The top layer of our skin acts as a barrier, it acts as a shield. Only when this barrier is strong, our skin stays hydrated and our skin is less irritated and less prone to breakouts. And this barrier doesn't often continuously stay strong. It needs ingredients which can help strengthen its function. And this toner helps with that. It's got 5 different types of ceramides which can help strengthen the barrier function. It's got urea, glycerin and sodium PCA, all good at adding hydration to the skin. It's got oat extract, beta-glucan and allantoin, all which can reduce the irritation on our skin. The rice water and the mushroom extract in the product helps soften the skin. So if your skin feels a bit dehydrated and irritated, red and sensitized, this is a good toner. The other 2 products that I'm going to be talking about in this video fight pigmentation on our skin. Now this product is not fighting pigmentation. What it's doing is actually strengthening, it's repairing the skin's barrier function. The thing is, you don't necessarily have to use this product when your skin is dehydrated or irritated. You can use it even if your skin seems fine, because our skin's barrier function is prone to getting damaged almost regularly. So we need ingredients like this, which is there in this toner, to continuously kind of maintain it at a particular level to help strengthen it. So even for maintenance purposes, even if your skin seems all okay, this is a toner that you could use, maybe not as frequently as you would if your skin feels a bit irritated and dehydrated and all sensitized. Cleanse your skin, apply the toner, wait for some time, wait for a minute or so, and then if you want, you can apply a serum and then top it off with a good moisturizer. You can use this toner either in the morning time or night time. It's got a very lightweight texture. The second product that I like from the serums from Hyphen brand is the Golden Glow Serum. Now this product has 5% niacinamide and 1% alpha-arbutin. Now niacinamide, it's going to strengthen the skin's barrier function and it's also going to fight the pigmentation on our skin. By fighting the pigmentation, it's brightening our skin. And it's got 1% alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is also a very good anti-pigmentation skincare ingredient. It's quite effective at 1%, so that's again a good thing. Both these ingredients are going to help fight those dark spots in the uneven skin tone. It also has vitamin C. Vitamin C in skincare, the most powerful one is 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 acid and its derivatives. Now this one doesn't use 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 acid. Instead, it's used vitamin C from a kakadu plum fruit. So it's a slightly less efficient version than the 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 acid that's there in a lot of vitamin C serums. Vitamin C in general is going to help brighten up the skin. It's going to also fight its pigmentation. The reason I haven't mentioned it alongside niacinamide and alpha-arbutin is because this vitamin C is not from the pure form, it's from a fruit extract. But still, it is going to, in its own way, not to the extent that 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏, the pure form, can do. In its own way, this kakadu plum extract also is going to fight the pigmentation and brighten up our skin. It's got ceramides and peptides, which are really good ingredients to strengthen the skin's barrier function. Now, if you're in the market for a good pigmentation serum and if you've got sensitive skin, then this is a really good product because it hasn't got any ingredients there which can kind of irritate your skin. Having said that, if you are a bit allergic or sensitive to any fruit extracts, then just be careful because this one does have a fruit extract. Any anti-pigmentation skincare product will be effective only if your barrier is strong. If your barrier is already quite weak and irritated and you're also trying to fight pigmentation on top of it, the anti-pigmentation products can only do so much because the foundation has been weakened a bit. So alongside fighting the pigmentation, you need to urgently strengthen that barrier function. And that's why I always, almost on a daily basis, include ingredients which can strengthen the barrier function. Ingredients which are there in your Milky toner. If not the Milky toner, any product which has got ingredients like panthenol, ceramides, niacinamide, they all help strengthen the barrier function. Now the third one, Yuzu Bright Serum. Now this is a really good anti-pigmentation serum. It's actually going to be more effective than your Golden Glow one in fighting that pigmentation. Having said that, there is something you should be cautious about, and I'll mention that in a bit. It's got 2% alpha-arbutin, more alpha-arbutin than your Golden Glow, so it's going to be more effective. It's got 5% niacinamide. 5% niacinamide is actually super effective on our skin, and that's what both these serums have. And it also has 1% kojic acid. Kojic acid is again a very powerful anti-pigmentation skincare ingredient. So all these 3 ingredients together are going to fight those dark spots. In fact, much better than the Golden Glow one. And it's got Yuzu extract. That's really got good antioxidant properties, meaning it's going to reduce the inflammation and redness to a bit on the skin. And that's good because inflammation and redness, if untreated, can eventually lead to dark spots, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. So always any ingredient which fights that inflammation is a good thing. So Yuzu extract kind of does that. It doesn't have as much ingredients as a Golden Glow one, which can help strengthen the skin's barrier. The Golden Glow one has the ceramides and the peptides. This is a bit weaker on that. This Yuzu extract formulation is very light based. So if you've got oily skin, you might actually prefer that. Now, which product, the Golden Glow or the Yuzu extract, to pick for the pigmentation? Now you see, if your skin is more on the sensitive side, then go for the Golden Glow one. Though the Yuzu extract is much more powerful in fixing that pigmentation, in treating that pigmentation on your skin, it does have kojic acid. So if you've got a bit of a sensitive skin or a bit of an irritated skin, then that kojic acid can cause a bit of dryness, which is not helpful for the skin. Otherwise, if your skin is not sensitive, your barrier is all strong, your skin is not dehydrated, not irritated, I really want to fight that pigmentation well, then use the Yuzu extract. It's really good whether your skin type is oily or dry or any other skin type as well, provided the skin is not sensitive or a bit irritated. One last thing, Hyphen also has a few well-aging serums in the retinol and retinal. I haven't included them in this comparison. This comparison is mainly for barrier strength and the pigmentation. That's about it. If you found this video useful, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.